Morning children. So today's chapter is chapter 7, the last leaf. Okay, this is from the NCERT book Beehive. So first of all, let's move on to the character sketch. Okay, what are the character sketch in this story? The last leaf is a story about two artist friends. Who are the two artist friends? Sue and Johnsy, who live together. Once Johnsy falls ill and does not get well for a long time. So who falls ill? Underline Johnsy, okay? Johnsy and Sue are two girls who lives together, and Johnsy falls ill and does not get well for a long time. Sue comes to know that Johnsy is thinking that she would die when the last leaf from a creeper outside the window would fall. She tries to convince Johnsy that she is wrong in thinking so, but she does not change her mind. So now Johnsy falls into some kind of a depression. Okay, that now as she is ill, she will going to die soon. So her friend Sue, who tries to convince her, and Johnsy is clinging to that last creeper. You know what is creeper? Creeper means the vines, okay? The vines where there are leaf, okay, and all in the creeper or the vines, means half of the leaves are not there, only 2-3 leaves. And Johnsy is thinking when that in the creeper, when the last leaf will also die out, that can be her last breath, okay? And she's falling into some kind of a sadness. Finally, a neighbor, Bear Man, paints a plastic leaf and sticks it on the creeper while Johnsy is asleep. The leaf does not fall in spite of the fierce wind. Fierce means forceful, okay, powerful winds and strong. And after some time, Johnsy realizes that she was wrong in relating her death to the falling leaves of the creeper. In the process of saving Johnsy, Bear Man falls ill as Heavy has drenched himself in heavy rain and caught pneumonia. So the neighbor, Bear Man, an old man, okay, draws a beautiful plastic leaf. That plastic leaf becomes a hope. Underline the plastic leaf, underline Bear Man, okay, becomes the hope for the ill Johnsy to live again and to love life again, okay, because she was losing all hope that she would die and she would not live for a long time, okay. Now let's move on about the characters. Who all the characters in this prose? Sue, she is an artist who shares a small flat with her friend. She helps her friend in getting well. So Sue is that friend who helps her getting well, okay. And now other comes Johnsy. She is the friend of Sue and lives with her. She is also an artist. So who is Johnsy? Johnsy is the friend of Sue, okay. Now comes Bear Man. Bear Man is a 60 years old painter and a neighbor of Sue and Johnsy. He saves the life of the Johnsy. As we read the character sketch, we come to know that Bear Man is the one who saved the life of his neighbor, Johnsy, who had fallen ill. So Sue and Johnsy are both artists and Bear Man is their neighbor, okay. And that is the person who saves them, okay. So I will move on to the summary in the next class.